Alright guys, so before we hop into today's video, I wanted to stop and give a business shout out to Alexis Party Treats. You can find her over on Instagram, and she actually started her business when she purchased some of my templates. So guys, if you're looking for custom and personalized party treats and you need the option to have everything shipped to you, you definitely want to go check out Alexis' page. I'll leave a link to her Instagram in the description box down below. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. If you're interested in these designs, you can find them over on my website. You can find the links in the description box down below. Also, if you have used any of my blank templates and you have started your own business, please send me an email or drop me a comment down below so I can go check out your page and feature your business in my next video. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.